Come on, keep clapping your hands.
And you look lovely and can be. Are you lonely and just like me?
Come on, everyone, where's your energy? Let's all say happy birthday!
Pretty woman, stop a while. Pretty woman, talk a while. Pretty woman, give your smile to me.
There you go. The very beautiful Mommy Elena at 75. Together once again with Daddy Fernando Silva. Sige po, akyat po tayo sa stage. Let's have that group picture first before we begin with something extra special for you. Okay, so come on everyone. Let's go and witness this family photo op. Have it still very strong. And, alright, so there you have it. Our celebrators. Sa gitna po tayo, Mommy Elena. Gitna po tayo. Picture po muna tayo. Okay, and now that you're all together, let's all please welcome the whole family. Palakpakan po natin once again. Happy birthday! Woo! Go to up first. Go to up. All right.
75th birthday of Elena.
Talagang kaway-kaway ang Mami Elena para pong mayora. Ayan. Thank you very much. Alright, so let's have Mommy Elena sitting down first for a while. Okay, after that video. Sige po, isang video muna. Together, let's go and wave! Wave! Alright. Let's please stay here at the side.
Beautiful girl, wherever you are, I knew when I saw you, you had opened the door. I knew that I'd love again.
And our next one is, of course, we have Mr. Vincent.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Now everyone sing happier! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Come on everyone, keep clapping your hands. Mommy Elena, close your eyes. And we will count 1 to 5. Kayo po, ibublow po ninyo ang inyong kandila after 5 in